What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning back into another video. Today we are back on the KTM 250 SXF Factory Edition. This is only going to be my second time riding this bike. I rode it last weekend and wasn't really gelling with it at first. I've made a few tweaks to the suspension, the clickers, the air pressure, the sag. Just today I tightened the steering stem a little bit to make the front end feel a little bit more stable. Today is just going to be another testing day for me, trying to get used to this bike, trying to get the hang of it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get right into it. The brakes on this thing are so good. That front brake instantly puts you into a stop. Yeah, dude, the power on this bike is so good. It has such good, smooth, usable torque down low. And versus some of my other bikes, like my Yamaha, this thing has so much over rev. Like, look at how far. I don't even think I was on the rev limiter yet in third gear. Hard to trust traction today. Some corners I'm feeling so much better on this thing. Slide. And I changed my sag to 98 millimeters. And I know that seems a little crazy. I think the normal sag that people run is more like 105. But man, making it run less than 100 millimeters of sag, I feel like this bike feels so much more planted on the front end.
Chase Sexton!
Tuck in the front. He's on Cowie now, so it's got to be someone else.
Do you roll it?
We're going to keep it third again. And it's pulling the front wheel up in third gear at super high RPM. This thing rips. Yeah, buddy! Let's go! Like, the more laps I do, the more I like this thing in the air. It's so easy to flick around. The suspension is actually pretty damn good. Handles these corners like a dream. Through the berms, this thing is so ridiculously stable. It's just like you point the front wheel and it stays straight as an arrow when you're leaning it over through those ruts. You get your sag and your air pressure and your clickers dialed in. This thing might be the best cornering bike that I've ever tried, dude. Best brakes in class by far. That front brake is so good. Alright, I keep bogging down. I gotta go in a second. Much better. Hard on the brakes, don't go over the berm. God, this bike is good. All right, it's good. Power, suspension, handling. This might be the best 250F. This thing freaking rips. It's impossible to get away from the roof. I'm like really gelling with this thing today. Makes me want to ride my Yamaha and this thing back to back. That's the only way I'm going to know what I like more. With the top end power of this thing, dude, I don't know if you can beat it, honestly. Like, it absolutely screams up top. Third gear, this whole track. Second for some corners, but I feel like in those straightaways on my Yamaha, I might have wanted to shift up to fourth. Not on the KTM, dude. Dude, this thing absolutely rips in the top end. It's ridiculous. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point, I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am absolutely loving this new KTM. Dare I say it, I might like it more than my Yamaha, and I thought my Yamaha was the best 250F. I definitely got to get both bikes out to a track at the same time and do like a lap-to-lap battle, compare how they feel, their lap times, all that good stuff. But yeah, second ride on the KTM after dialing in the settings. Mwah! Chef's kiss. This thing is freaking awesome. Again, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.